Good morning, everyone. It is the 11th. Sony E3 press conference is tonight, so I'm very much looking forward to that. I started vlogging with my usual camera, which, if you guys don't know what camera I use, is the how do you say the name? Fujin, whatever. This camera right here. Yep, there you go. Focusing is awesome. Oh, and yes, I did get the I did get the Xbox One X from Renaissance this week. Always have it on. See, always. That is gonna be replaced with a 4K TV. Eventually. Not now. But anyway, I don't want to drop my camera, so I guess I'm vlogging with my phone today, which is fine. I mean, not really much to it, you know. I can't. I can't do half the stuff I wanted to. Like, I don't know what I'm talking about, really. But anyway, it is currently 12:46 p.m., 12:47, because that clock is a couple of seconds faster, though. I cannot remember. But of course, okay, so it's actually a couple of seconds slow. Okay, so it is exactly 12:40. No, well, not exactly. Anyway, I am going to be working on Unity, probably not for 6 hours straight. No, I'm going to go to Walmart, not Walmart, Marketplace and get some chips. Probably go stream on Twitch chips. And that kind of rhymes, actually. I'm going to get them chips, and then we're going to get on Twitch. Chips. I don't know. I just can't say that like 52,000 billion times, you know. Anyway, I'm going to do that. Still a lovely day out. See? Nice. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys just enjoy this video, because I will be taking you into in-depth tour of the game I'm making. And both games I'm currently developing. So one, I'm actually gonna wait until my fiance moves in, so she can actually help me, because she's more of the idea type person, and I mean, I got ideas, but not as much as she does to make it scary and whatever. So that's what I'm trying to go for. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys do end up liking this video, please hit the like button, share the video. It helps me out. Also, I don't know. I guess that's good for now. I guess. But anyway, okay. Can't talk now. I will. Just got done wrapping up a 3 hours and 53-minute broadcast on stream. Anyway, stream.tv/Ryan Bachelor. The link is always down below, along with my fiance's stream link is down below as well. So we have T-minus 50-something minutes until the Sony E3 briefing. I'm getting ready for that. I would have gone on for 4 hours, but you know what? I don't know what I'm saying now. But anyway, I think I'm gonna head to Marketplace, get some food. It's still a beautiful day out. There you go. It's on my screen. But anyway, I just thought I would let you guys know. And if you guys are watching the Sony E3 briefing, which what did you guys like about it? Were you guys hyped? Were you guys as hyped as I was? And did it meet your expectation? I probably don't want to go that far, but hey, you know what? It's probably a good thing too. So, I'm gonna go to my place real quick and actually, hang on. Hey Google? No? Did make me my phone didn't stop. But anyway, you know what? I'll just check it wherever. So I'm gonna go to my place, get some chips, come back, and yeah, should be fun. Talk to you guys after the show. I don't even know why I'm looking up here when I'm talking to you guys, but hey, yeah, talk to you guys after. Without dropping my phone. Beautiful day. I just got done with the marketplace. Now I'm heading back home. It's still a beautiful day out. And yeah, as you can tell, it's messing with my hair, but you know what? That's all fine and dandy. So, one of my friends I invited, well, okay, I'm just gonna state it out. I invited Kyle to watch the PS4 briefing with me, but he's not gonna be able to make it. So, hang on, I need to wait for the car in front of me. So, wonder if Elijah's home. I don't know. Because he watched the Xbox E3 briefing with me, so I wanted to see if he could do it. But you know what? Car's taking a while, isn't it? But it's okay. I can wait. I got time. Nothing but time. Good morning, everyone. It is the 11th. Sony E3 press conference is tonight. So I'm very much looking forward to that. I started vlogging with my usual camera, which, if you guys don't know what camera I use, is the how do you say the name? Fujim, whatever. This camera right here. Yep, there you go. Focusing, it's awesome. Oh, and yes, I did get the I did get the Xbox One X from Rent Center this week. Always have it on. See, always. That is gonna be replaced with a 4K TV. Eventually. Not now. But anyway, I don't want to drop my camera, so I guess I'm vlogging with my phone today. Which is fine. I mean, not really much to it, you know. I can't, you know, I can't do half the stuff I wanted to, like, I don't know what I'm talking about, really. But anyway, it is currently 12:46 p.m., 12:47, because that clock is a couple of seconds faster, though I cannot remember. But of course, okay, so it's actually a couple of seconds slow. Okay, so it is exactly 12:40. No, well, not exactly. Anyway, I am going to be working on Unity, probably not for 6 hours straight. No, I'm going to go to Walmart, not Walmart, Marketplace and get some chips. Probably go stream on Twitch chips. Hey, that kind of rhymes, actually. I'm going to get some chips, and then we're going to get on Twitch. Chips. I don't know. I just can't say that like 52,000 billion times, you know. Anyway, I'm going to do that. Still a lovely day out. See? Nice. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy Hope you guys just enjoy this video because I will be taking you into in-depth tour of the game I'm making, and both games I'm currently developing. So one, I'm actually gonna wait until my fiance moves in so she can actually help me, because she's more of the idea type person, and I mean, I got ideas, but not as much as she does to make it scary and whatever. So that's what I'm trying to go for. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys do end up liking this video, please hit the like button, share the video. It helps me out. Also, I don't know. I guess that's good for now. I guess. But anyway, okay. Can't talk now. I will chat with you guys a little bit later. Hopefully it says. I'll talk to you guys later. Sony E3 just wrapped up, and I am not a hard. I don't know. Okay, first of all, they opened up with pretty much the CEO talk about what they want to focus on. And apparently, yeah. Anyway, getting to the show itself, it started out with The Last of Us 2, which, again, was a good game. I enjoyed The Last of Us, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy The Last of Us 2. And then it ended with Spider-Man. No, those were not the two games they talked about. They talked about more stuff, but you know what? It felt a little short, from 6 to 7 to something, an hour and something minutes, which is not bad. So, yeah. So who won? Sony or PS4? Again, like I said earlier, does it really matter? Is the console war even a thing? Yeah, I'm gonna talk about this throughout the week, but still, it's like I don't get what people's problems is. Oh, Xbox is better. Oh, PS4 is better. No, the game. Just play the stupid game. That's all. But you know what? It's okay. Because PC outlasts everyone. No, I'm joking. Although people are gonna watch this and think I'm serious. Oh, he's just a PC fanboy. Yeah. And I play PC a lot. I will admit. But that doesn't mean I don't like my Xbox any better. Or when I get a PS4, that means I won't not like that any better. Sorry, my hand get tired a lot. So it is 7:35 right now. Not much else to do, but I don't know, the bed looks kind of comfy, but I'm not tired. So probably just gonna work on Unity for now, or attempt to, and see what happens from there. Still like this background, by the way. Nice background. Especially if you're dual monitors. See, look at that. Hang on, let me back up. Nice focusing too, by the way. I love the focusing. But anyway, still daylight. Still bed. And sad to say, but it's still me. So, like I said, I'm gonna work on Unity. So, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Guess I slept. Yep. It was a nice nap though. So anyway, it is currently 10:10. Yeah, I slept for a good 3 hours. I wasn't expecting to. But I guess my body's like, well, we're good. And stuff. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think of doing this stuff on my phone. If it wasn't for that right there, yes, I'm talking to you. If it wasn't for him saying low battery, like after the second clip I've made, yes, I only made 2 clips today on that. I don't think I'm gonna upload it because I have 6. I think this would be my 6th clip I made on my phone. But anyway, I am gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm also gonna play again. I'm also gonna play some Far Cry. Only because I want to get past that part I was on earlier when I was streaming. And then, no, I'm not going on Twitch tonight, but I will be on. Sorry, I just had to adjust my. But I will be on tomorrow at, I think, 11 my time. So, yeah. And thank you enough for those 2 followers. If you guys are watching, or if you guys ever do, yeah. So, I think that's gonna wrap it up for me today. And well, I gotta play some Xbox now. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, and by the way, let me know what you guys thought about the Sony E3 conference. Me personally, I thought it was, well, I gotta admit, it was good. Yeah. It's better than Xbox within the graphics quality of it, cause all the games look top notch. Because, well, I would presume they're all either all AAA titles or AA titles or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, don't get me wrong, they do have some little games too, just like Xbox does, like, the game I'm most looking forward to playing is Last of Us 2. That's pretty much it. Blah, 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 blah. That's the game I like, so we'll see if that comes true. But anyway, I'm gonna go. My hand is getting tired from holding it in this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Sony concert. Yeah. Can I say concert? Yeah. You know what? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the keynote, and I will see you tomorrow. Concert.